In this video we are going to talk about TinkerCad simulation into hardware programming. First let's create a simple LED blinking circuit using TinkerCad. You can learn more about TinkerCad in our previous video. Now let's make the circuit physically. Let's set up Arduino IDE in the computer. Go to Google and search download Arduino IDE, and visit the first link, or you can directly go to the link in the description. You have several options to select from, such as for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Select the preferred version and download. Extract the zip file and run Arduino application. Now let's copy the code we used in TinkerCad and paste it in Arduino IDE. Before going any further, let's save the file in our computer. To save, go to File and click Save. Select your preferred location in your computer and save. Now we need to select the correct board we are using. Go to Tools, Board, Arduino AVR boards and select Arduino UNO, and then again, go to Tools, Port and select the port to which the board is connected. Now we are all set to upload the code. Click the right arrow-shaped icon in the toolbar and upload the code. We can see the status of uploading at the bottom. It will first compile the sketch and then upload. It will show done uploading once it's done and code will start to run. You can see the LED blinking similar to the TinkerCad simulation.